12.6 miles, $10.75. And look at this, $8.25, another 10-mile order at Chick-fil-A. So you just got all types of people that's 10 miles away and want their Chick-fil-A. It's just not happening. Even if that order said $12.50, I'm still not taking it. And then they sent me another one, $10 for 15 miles. Now, I don't know, the customer may feel like, hey, I put $8 tip on there. I don't care if I'm 15 miles away. They don't even be thinking about it half the time. But just like they don't think about it, I ain't thinking about it either. I said, hell to the no. There's 3 declines in a row. So guess what? Walmart Spark blessed me. $34.93 for 3. If I'm getting orders that's paying $35 for 3 miles, yeah, I gotta do a little bit of shopping. Why would I take $10 for 15 miles? This is why you multi-app, guys. Look, $8.25 for 10 miles, or you can have $10.75 for 12 miles. You can hop over on Walmart Spark and do you some shopping deliveries. You can get $35. Let's head up on in Walmart and get this $35 real quick.
Yes, sir.
All right, first order of the day, front door service. How many bags we got? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. What's that? 6, 7. Quite a few bags, but all of them fit inside the tote, so it's all good. About 11 bags. Boom, got it done. Next order right here, $38.18, 2.6 miles, and it's only 14 items. I was parked over there in the pickup spot waiting on the curbside, but I knew since I was in the middle of the hour, they was gonna send me a shop and deliver. So let's go head up in here, get this shopping done for this order. Should be pretty easy too. And done. I think I've been in here for 10 minutes. $40 shop. I'm back in the car within 15 minutes. I got a 5-minute drive down the road. I'm finna be able to drop this off in time for the next round of round robin offers. Let's go. I'm finna be at $47 already in the first hour and a half. Let's get it. And then I'm probably gonna at least get like a $10 or $15 order coming up next. That's how you maximize, man. Walmart Spark is where it's at. Now, is money to be made using other gig apps? Yeah, you can do some Instacart, some Uber Eats, some Doordash, but when it comes to shopping orders, I feel like Walmart Spark are leading the charge when it comes to paying a good base pay, but not only that, encouraging customers or just, having good customers when it comes to leaving tips on the shopping orders. Like, I dig that. If I had to compare the type of tips I see on shopping orders compared to the types of tips I see on curbside pickup orders, hands down, shopping orders for the win. So if you got access to shop and deliver, even if it's not on Walmart Spark, when it comes with DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart, shopping orders typically gonna pay you more, and they typically gonna have a higher base pay and a higher customer tip, showing that the person who's placing that order appreciates the amount of service that you're giving them. So keep that in mind. You're dropping off another Walmart Spark order. Hello.
Hi,
got your order right here. You want me to just set it down?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Got shop and deliver, 1 pair of pants, $23, that's it. And I'm finna get paid $16 to deliver it. This is how you make that easy money with Walmart. Pants, that's it. In the bag, ready to go. At the rain, so I had to put the microphone up. $16.61 for 3 miles, and we are approaching our destination now. The only thing they ordered was 1 pair of pants. Bruh must got a job interview or somewhere to go, a date tonight or something. We got 1 pair of pants right there. Let's get it. We got $17.92 for 4.2 miles, 2 customers. One of those pickups was Walmart, and they brung that thing right out. We got it right in the back, ready to go. A few things on order number 2, but order number 1, dummy small, so we good. We are heading to our next drop off. We are at the SIEU college campus. Nice. Now I gotta go up to the 2nd floor for this one, and for some reason it say collect the signature. I don't know if we got a scamming ass customer or something, but hey, it's wasting my time with this shit. Cause I don't like making customers sign for stuff. That mean they didn't probably tried to scam the system or something. So whenever you get a signature, be careful. Another Walmart Spark order. Front door, some non-stop shopping orders. I mean, back to back to back to back. And I love it because when it comes to shopping orders, you decide how much money you want to make because you decide how fast you want to go. Woo! Now let's go ahead and pull over her real quick, and we're gonna add up some totals and see how much we have added up. That's what we sitting at for today, 162.79. So we in good shape. The time is 5:30, so we got enough time to run it up to 200. Let's see what we get next. Now they did just send me one offer of $7 for 5 miles. It was a round robin. I declined it, so that's gonna go in the wrong direction for the acceptance rate. But hey, I can't make it to 200 if I'm going 5 miles for $7. So look, I'm heading back in that direction now. We're gonna see what we get. We're gonna go over a few of the shop and deliver orders I've been doing. $26.25 for 5.6 miles on this one. $18.61 for 4 miles. It was like 6 items on that one, got that one knocked out. Then they sent me this right here, 7 for 5.3. Not taking that, so that's gonna make the acceptance rate go down. Then they sent me this one, 2 alcohol delivery, 2 stops, so that's 2 no-tip orders, 1 alcohol. $8.5 miles. I could have done this one if it was 2 customers, but since it's 3 customers, I had to look at it. And when I looked at it, there's 3 no-tip offers on there. And I just still ain't doing 3 customers and there's no tips on there, because you should make more than 16 bucks, at least 20 bucks on this order going 8 miles when it's 3 separate customers. So I had to let this one right here, $31.60, 7.4 miles, 1 customer shopping. Go ahead, snatch that up. Now this is gonna make my AR bounce a little bit back up, but I did decline 3 back to back and accepted this. Time for a quick DoorDash morning shift. Got my first order of the day. We got $6.25 for 2.5 miles at Hardee's. Let's go. Now the time is 9 in the morning. I was able to hop on for 4 hours, actually 3, 9 to 12, but I hit Dash along the way in the next zone up, and I was heading over there, but they gave me an order for this zone. I'm like, okay, I'll take that, because I was just prepared to drive like 8 minutes away to the next zone so I could hop on over there, but y'all let me hop on over here. So boom, we heading to Hardee's. First order of the day, nothing crazy, 6.25, 2 miles. It's breakfast time, so if I can make like, 30, 35 bucks, I'll be cool with that, because I am multi-app and I got Walmart Spark going too. I got Roadie going. I got all my other apps fired up. But I want to make a DoorDash video. So we making a DoorDash video, because you know what? I do what the hell I want to do. I make the videos I want to make. How you doing? I'm picking up a DoorDash order in the bag. Now we just going to be driving 2 miles away to our delivery destination. And we're going to make our first little money for the day. $6.25 for 2 miles. Let's go. See right there, $6.25. What we got? $4 tip on that Hardee's order. And I thought everything was going great. I said, you know what? DoorDash has changed. Things is looking different. Look at this next order they sent me, y'all. Look at this. $10.75 for 12.6 miles. Chick-fil-A. 12.6 miles. $10.75. Hell to the no, DoorDash. You tripping. Then look at this, $8.25, another 10-mile order at Chick-fil-A. So you just got all types of people that's 10 miles away and want they Chick-fil-A for less than a $10 tip. It's not happening. It's just not happening. Even if that order said $12.50, I'm still not taking it. And then they sent me another one, $10 for 15 miles. Now, I don't know, the customer may feel like, hey, I put $8 tip on there. I don't care if I'm 15 miles away. They don't even be thinking about it half the time. But just like they don't think about it, I ain't thinking about it either. I said, hell to the no. There's 3 declines in a row. So guess what? Walmart Spark blessed me. $34.93 for 3.5 now. Now look, if I'm getting orders that's paying $35 for 3 miles, yeah, I got to do a little bit of shopping. Why would I take $10 for 15 miles? This is why you multi-app, guys. Look, $8.25 for 10 miles. Or you can have $10.75 for 12 miles. Or you can hop over on Walmart Spark and do you some shopping deliveries. You can get $35 to go 3 miles. Let's head up on in Walmart and get this $35 real quick, because DoorDash. Minutes, we got all these groceries shopped. All we gotta do is load them up in the good old back of the whip. But I need to go ahead and get my much better. Got half of it there, half of it there. Now we ready to go. I was able to get that one DoorDash order done. After I get this one dropped off, that's gonna put me at $41, almost $42 for the first hour. Let's go. This is how you maximize. Now, if DoorDash allows me, hey, let me go ahead and throw my seatbelt on, right? Safety first. If DoorDash allows me, I will hop back on that schedule. But I ended my dash because it ain't no point. I got me an order paying me 35 bucks. And even if it takes up 30 minutes, I'm cool with that, because I wasn't finna make $40 in the first hour with DoorDash. Without no large order program, without no top dash, there's no way that's happening. But with multi-apping, it's definitely possible. Now, I appreciate DoorDash sending me that one good order, but them other 3 orders, they was trying to have me go 10 miles away and then have to drive 10 miles back. This is what you got to keep in mind when you multi-app. So yes, I will take orders that's profitable if they going 10 miles, but they're gonna have to show me at least $20-something. That's just all I'm saying. And I don't think that DoorDash should be sending me $20 orders, you know, if you got other Dashers that's been out here grinding and working, let's just keep it real. Like, if they gonna send me an order, it's gonna be $5 to $7, and it should be in a short range because I just hopped back on. If it's $20 and $25 or if it's $20 and $25 orders out there, you know, short of it being like a shop and deliver, that should go to them other Dashers that's been out here grinding, getting their stats up, putting in their work, getting that Dash now because they do shop and delivers every week. Don't send it to me. I'm just trying to make, I'm using Doordash just to fill in that little gap when I'm not getting $35 orders on Walmart Spark. So, you know, do what works for you, but, you know, Doordash, you still can make some money with them. And that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna make some money with them while I use my main apps and make most of the money there. But if we get off on a good tangent, get off on a good little streak with Doordash, I keep that one on by itself. But it still doesn't take away from the fact that you want to keep as many options available to you as possible. Because Doordash can't really pay all the bills for a lot of people by themselves, and it's too inconsistent. Let's go ahead and drop this Spark order off. Dropping off the first part of this Chick-fil-A order. Hello, anybody home? Got an order for you.
Thank you.
Mind if I get a quick Doordash photo?
As long as you don't get me in.
Get your hand. Thank you.
Thanks.
25 turned into 725. Let's go. So as you can see, Doordash still hides tips. I forgot where I left off at. I had to take a break for a minute, go home, get me something to eat. I ate me some grilled cheese and potato salad. I went and picked up my daughter from school, second day of kindergarten. Shout out to you, daughter. I love you. Let's see, I did my shop and deliver this morning, my first Doordash order. That put me at like $41 on the day. And then I did a live stream. Shout out to everybody who checked out that live stream. I know y'all FDA family. I did a live stream, and I also did a $4 Doordash order live on live stream. So that brought me up to about $45. And now I'm on a $12 Walmart Spark run. $12 for 5 miles. Customer left a $5 tip on there. Shout out to that great customer. And that will put me at about 56 or 57-ish dollars on the day. And my goal for today is $100. Run it up. I currently do not have a schedule on DoorDash, but that's okay though, because I know my market. I know it's gonna get busy for that food delivery, even though I haven't even been doing it for the last like what, month and a half. I still know what's up because I stay in tune. I keep my ear to the streets, so I know what's going on with all the gig apps in my area. See, this is what you got to realize. At 5 p.m., it's going to start jamming on food delivery, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, all of those. So I know even though I don't got a schedule, I'm going to be able to get in where I fit in and make some money on the flip side. So even if I start to see less Walmart Spark orders, what's this? The closer I get towards the end of the night, I'm already halfway to my daily goal. Woo! That food got me all. I need to take some of this Red Bull. Halfway to my daily goal, and I know I got a plan to get the other half. Really, I know I should be able to really make more than another $50 because between Walmart Spark and just DoorDash, not even counting everything else, that's an easily attainable goal. But I'm gonna actually turn on Roadie too, because I know some of them other Walmart Spark orders might go out through Roadie, but then I'm gonna go ahead and turn on not Instacart, because I'm not trying to have two shopping apps. I'm gonna be doing shopping on Spark. I'll turn on Shipped, because I can pick up some already prepared orders from like Target. It's still lots of school supply runs on there. So I got a plan for this evening, guys. Now, if DoorDash decide to give me like an hour or two, then I know I'm gonna be good for at least $35, because even if I'm not top dasher, even if I'm under 50%, if they let me on the schedule, it's gonna at least be 1 or 2 orders that meet my parameters, because I know how this DoorDash algorithm work. Like, if you ain't got a straight full block on DoorDash, like a full day worth of dashing, and you only able to get in for an hour or two here and there, use DoorDash on the side, you gotta know that when they do give you Dash now, don't worry about the bullshit orders they send you, because it's gonna be a lot of those out there, but it's probably 1, 2, maybe 3 if you lucky, orders that meet your parameters, help you get towards your daily goal. And like I said, I only need 50 more bucks, so I'm better to make it happen. But the backup to the backup is to turn on Shipped and try to get me some prepared school delivery Pickups over there. We got 3 minutes to our delivery. Let's go ahead and pull up. First part of that Walmart Spark order dropped off. I probably could have brought all of this up to the door at one time, but sometimes when you're recording, you gotta have one hand free. So that's what we're doing right here. Keeping one hand free, and now just have to make it 2 trips. Got a $12 order dropped off. Then after that, Walmart Spark decided to bless me with this order, $28.10 for 31 miles. And guess what? It's gonna stay right over there at Glen Carbon because we is not taking that. Then next after that, they sent me, no, that's the same one right there. I must have took 2 screenshots of that one. They sent me this right here. $7. No, that was the order I took right there. $27.35. 3 customers on this one, 6 miles. I knocked that out. It took them all day to bring it, but I was able to make it back within the hour and get my next round robin, which is the order I'm waiting on right now. $7, 2 miles. I think this may be an order with no tip on it, but it's a round robin. I gotta take it, the miles to money ratio there. So I'm here now waiting on this order. And I actually turned on Doordash too. So I got it paused for right now, but as soon as they bring me out this order, I'm gonna unpause it, see if I can snatch me something going in the same direction as this round robin offer and keep my wheels rolling. And it's been so many ASAP orders out there recently that I think I'm actually gonna get another order that's gonna be an ASAP shop and deliver once I get done doing this one right here. So it's gonna keep my wheels rolling, keep me going along towards my daily goal. That $12 Walmart Spark put me at like 56, if I'm not mistaken. Then the $26 one, 62, that's gonna put me at 82, right? Yeah, 82. 56 plus 6, that's 62 plus 20, 82. And then I got a $7 one, so this is gonna put me at like 89. I'm estimating, I need to whip out my calculator. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be somewhere around there. But the point is, after this $7 order, I need about 11 more bucks to hit my daily goal. Very much achievable. We at 6 p.m., we still got 3+ hours of strong food delivery hours. Friday night, I think we're in good shape, guys. So let's go ahead and get these Walmart. Hopefully that's them coming out with my order right now, because I need to get this quickly. Oh, what I'm about to say, $2.25 for 5.5 is gonna stay right there. Look, I don't bank on getting no cash tips, guys, so I had to leave that. Stop and deliver, $11.75 for 7.3. Now I did take that one because it was taking me in the right direction. And once I got there, it was 7 items, quick shopping, boom. Now this one, I almost took it, but then I had to go ahead and double check. 9 miles, like, nah, even though both drop-offs was right close to Papa John's, they could be packed in there. So I was like, I don't want to take that. Immediately after declining that one, I got this one, $16.49, 8.2, same Papa John's, but these drop-offs were literally right on top of the Papa John's. So I mean, like the next 2 streets over. Knocked that one out, and now I'm heading back up towards my zone because all this right here was down in Granite City, and I don't even work. Back on the highway, we taking 270 up towards Glen Carbon, and we're gonna see if we can get a few more orders, but if not, I'm cool with what I made because I already smashed out my $100 goal for the day. I'm actually getting reacclimated to how it's different over here doing DoorDash while doing Walmart Spark, but I like it though. It gives me that added flexibility to work on my terms the way I wanna work. You know what I'm saying? Now I can go ahead and hang it up right now. But you know what? If you made it this far in the video, I want to first and foremost say thank you for watching. Thanks for being a part of the channel. Thanks for helping get this far. You know what I'm saying? Because it wouldn't be none of this if it wasn't for you guys clicking on the videos every single day, watching them all the way through to the end, and not skipping none of them ads. So you the real MVP. Stop playing with me. I'm out.